The prize for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander knowledge systems is important because it actually adds value to what we practice within science and traditional knowledge on a day-to-day basis. So it includes Indigenous people in the conversation and in the practice of science and traditional knowledge. So it's very important. If you can see the hard work that the people are doing in this space, nominate them for the 2026 Prime Minister's Prizes for Science. We continually move forward. Our whole mission is to advance our mob and do it in a way which retains culture, retains knowledge, but then also gives it to the next generation. Very humbled. Like, to be the first was a special feeling, but then sort of taking on the responsibility to make sure you're not the last. It's important that I'm not the last because, like our culture, it's continuous. Please nominate others to participate and keep this prize going. Nominate now for the Prime Minister's Prize for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Knowledge Systems.